Hey guys, Joe Burnich back again with Grime Time Internet Marketing, and I've had several people call me and say, hey Joe, I know you put a blog onto my website, now what do I do? How do I use it? And I go through and I give the basics of, we need to do this, this, and this, just make sure you do this. Okay, what I want to do is I want to sit down on my computer and I want to show you guys how to blog. I want to show you guys how to use it in conjunction with Facebook. This stuff is great for ranking long tail keywords on Google, so I'm going to show you all about that stuff. So let's not waste any more time. Get over to the computer and start blogging, and then use that to make some money. Okay, so here we are at a WordPress website getting ready to do our first blog post. There's two different kinds of blog posts we're going to do, and they're both going to help us rank in Google. Okay, the first one is going to be all about creating a service post. This is going to be a post that has to do with one of your cleaning services and then the city name. And then the other one is going to have to do with a video or something entertaining that attracts Facebook likes, which Google is it's part of SEO as well. So the first thing to do, let's do a service blog post to begin with. But what I want to do to create my first one is log into WordPress, and the way you do that is go to your website /wp-admin. You put your username, you put your password in there, click login. Now you're at your WordPress dashboard. Okay, it's very easy to create a post for your blog. All you're going to do is go to posts and go to add new. Okay, and so in this example, like I said, I want to do something that has to do with a service and a city name, because I want to try to rank for that. So let's do air duct cleaning, Kansas City. Okay, why am I doing that? Because I want, if somebody's going to be sitting at Google and they're going to type in air duct cleaning Kansas City, I want this blog post to show up, okay? I don't want my homepage to show up that talks about 8 different services and how great we are. I want a post that shows up that talks just about air duct cleaning in Kansas City. Okay, so I put my title in there. The title creates, that's where you want to put your keywords, is in the title section there. And I've already got this content created. You can create your own content. You can have somebody else create it for you. Make sure it's unique. Make sure it's not copied and pasted from somewhere else on the internet. Okay, so there we go. Now, I also like to add one picture to each one of my blog posts. So let's see, I'm going to go down here. Wherever wherever my cursor is blinking is where the picture is going to show up. So I'm going to go add media, and then I'm going to go browse around on my computer and try to find it. Okay, so now that I found the one that I want, it's called air duct, I'm going to click open. I'm going to make sure down here it says full size. I don't want it to link to anything, so I'm going to click none for link to. The alignment, in this case I want to do it center, but you can have it left or right of the text if you want to. That's just how I'm going to do it for this example. Click insert into post. Boom. And then if I want to, I can shrink and resize this picture. So let's leave it right about there. And you can choose categories if you want to for your different blog posts. I'm going to put Kansas City cleaning for this category. You can do whatever you want. You can create new categories by clicking on this link. Not a big deal. Categories will not affect your SEO. It's just kind of for you to organize stuff for yourself and maybe for your clients if they're going to be searching around your site. Okay, click publish. Now I'm going to view the post. And this is what it's going to look like. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to rank this blog post in Google for air duct cleaning Kansas City. Okay, will it rank? Who knows? If I start adding links to it, I'll have a better chance of it, but you don't necessarily have to do that. Okay, so let's look at an example of one that I posted a while ago that may be ranking. Let's try this one. Let's see. Back in January, I created one called Kansas City Area Rug Cleaning Service. I got my picture of an area rug, a bunch of unique text that I had somebody else write for me. And so here's what I want to rank for. Kansas City Area Rug Cleaning Service. That's called a long tail keyword. Okay, and then let's see. Let's go to Google and search for that exact keyword, Kansas City area rug cleaning service. Boom, we're number 2 on the front page for the organic rankings. ChemDry is right ahead of us. I didn't do anything other than create that post, and you can see it's ranking high, okay? So if somebody types that in, I'm most likely going to get a click, possibly a phone call. So that's one way to do blog posts to get people to get your rankings up in with SEO. Okay, if you're going to do something extremely competitive like carpet cleaning Kansas City, don't expect that to rank. You got to use long tail keywords that are not necessarily searched a lot, but when they are searched, there's not going to be that much competition, and you'll have a good chance of coming up. So that's how you do service posts. Okay, another post I want to show you is it's basically to get Facebook likes. So I did this. This is an example. One of my clients, we did this funny video of a dog snoring, and it got 26 Facebook likes. So we put this little plug-in on here, but what we did is we put this post on here, we embedded a video from YouTube, and then we put some text below it. We just wrote a little description of the video. Very simple, very easy to do. And then we shared it over on Facebook. People came over here, they clicked the like button. What does that do for us? What does a cute dog video actually do for us? Well, the more likes and action you get from these different social media channels, the more Google will like your website as a whole. So we're not trying to rank this page with fun, cute dog stuff. We're trying to say, Google, look, people are coming from social media, primarily Facebook, and they're liking it. They're watching the video, and they're actually clicking the like button. Another example I've got here is this one. This one, for whatever reason, people loved. It got 143 likes. Google will see that. Google will see that people are getting on our site and clicking like. Okay, so once a week you go in there and you throw up a funny dog video post. Once a week you go in and throw a service post. So now you're hitting long tail keywords for Google, and you're also showing Google that you're getting traffic from Facebook and people are interacting with your website. Okay, so those two things will help your site rank. I do both of these things for all of my SEO clients. Okay, now what I want to show you is how to add a video, a YouTube video, to your blog post. So the first thing you do is, let's just go to YouTube. And since we're using this funny dog theme, you can use whatever you want, whatever you think people actually like and click on. I like funny dog stuff. It just seems to work the best. You can do funny cat stuff, you can do funny kid stuff, whatever you think. But let's find one that we think people might like. So let's just try this first one here.
I love you.
Okay, so we found one that we like, and you go down here and you click on this little link that says share. Okay, we click on that, and then we click on embed. And after we click on embed, it'll give us this code that we can put on our site, and we need to check the size. You know, 500 pixels, 600 pixels is probably the max you want to go for the width, and then the height doesn't really matter. And then you're going to copy this code, and then we're going to go into and we're going to go back into the dashboard. We are going to create a new blog post, and then when we're in here, instead of being on this little visual tab where we're sitting here typing text like that, we want to go into the text tab, because that will allow us to put code. If you don't go into this text tab, this will not work. So we're going to go to text. We're going to paste this YouTube code that we just copied from over here. We're going to paste that into here. And I'm going to put, watch this funny dog video. And I'm going to put that under the pet issues category just for fun. Click publish. Now when you go to view this, there you go. You got a YouTube video on your website. That's called embedding a YouTube video. And then what you want to do is add a few sentences of text below that. So what I would do is I'd go back here and then go below here, and then I'd type in a few sentences describing that video or saying something, you know, to go along with it. So that's how you embed a YouTube video onto your website. Okay, so the next question is, how do we get these little social media buttons on here? I like to put them below and I like to put them above so that people have more of a chance of actually clicking the like button. How do we put those on there? Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that here because obviously we don't have them on the Kansas City site yet. Now, it's going to cost $29 to purchase this plugin. If you're one of my clients, I will put it on there for free because I've already purchased it for all of my websites. I got an upgraded professional version of this. Otherwise, you spend $29 and all you do is you go to plugins, you go to add new, you search for Pinit Pro. Okay, and then you download it here, and then you click Activate. Okay, that's how you get the Pinit button here. And it's already installed on this one, so you can see it here. Now, once you click on this, it'll bring you to this screen, and you can click See Pricing, and then you can upgrade. And like I said, it's $29 for one website. And then you can go through here, and you can select to add Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, Google. Facebook is obviously the most important one that we want on there. I've tried lots of different plugins. This one's my favorite. And I just felt like spending a little bit of money. There's other free ones out there, but I recommend this one. It seems to work the best out of all the ones I've tried. Okay, and then I like to have it on every individual post. You can put it on your blog homepage if you have one. And then I like to also put it on below content and above content. Okay, so once you do that, and there's other settings here, but you don't really need to worry about them. You click Save Changes. We're going to have these here. Right now, it's only showing the Pinit. You got to pay the extra money, like I said, to get the Facebook and Twitter and the rest of them. But that's how you do it. Highly recommend that. Like I said, if you're one of my clients, just give me a call. I'll make sure it's on there for free. No problem. But that's it in a nutshell. That's how you add blog posts. That's how you do it to rank for different services in your city. That's also how you do it to get your social media love for Google. Google likes to see that social media stuff. And that social media stuff is going to become more and more important as time goes on. Social media is becoming more important for SEO as time goes on. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Have a great day.